Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add a review on Google. So let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is just open up your browser, your Google browser, and then search for any place or a thing that you would like. After searching for a place or a thing that you would like to review, what you can do is just tap on that place, and here you can find about them. So if you scroll down, you can find an option which says rate and review on Google. And now you can rate or review that place. So just rate that place by giving a star and then share details of your own experience at this place. And after writing a review, now what you can do is just post that review. And after doing that, here you can see your review has been successfully posted. So that's it guys, this is how to review on Google. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.